30th question. If Cn is the coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x power n, then, so we have to actually concentrate only on this. So this is not so important. So we have to concentrate on this. What is C1 plus 2C2 plus 3C3 etc. n Cn. So this is what we have to find out. Now actually the meaning of C1, actually we don't write it, but the meaning of C1 is actually NC1. Okay. So similarly plus, this is 2 into, the meaning of C2 is actually NC2 plus 3 into, the meaning of C3 is actually NC3 etc. Okay. So like that we have to find this sum up to n into NCn. Now this problem, these kind of problems can be done easily without actually solving. So what we can do is, we can put some value for n instead of solving this question and taking lot of time. Now what we will do is, I will simply put n equal to 1. I will put n is equal to 1 in this. If I put n is equal to 1, this will become 1C1 plus. Okay. Now actually we can't write the other terms, because when I put n is equal to 1, this becomes 1C2, and we know 1C2 is not defined. It is not defined. Now whenever we write NCR, the rule is the value of n should be greater than or equal to r. Always n should be greater. Okay, r cannot be greater than n. So that is not possible. So 1C2, 1C3 will not exist. So if you are putting n is equal to 1, only 1C1 will exist and other things will not exist. And now the value of 1C1 is 1. Now how did we get 1? By putting n is equal to 1. Now put n is equal to 1 in the options and find out which option gives you 1 as the answer. Now if you put n equal to 1 in option A, we will get 2 power 1. Now 2 power 1 is 2, which is not matching with 1. So option A cannot be the answer. If you put n equal to 1 in option B, you will get, this is 1 into 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is also 2. So therefore it is not coming out to be 1. So option B is also not the answer. If you put n equal to 1 in option C, this will be 1 into 2 power 1 minus 1. So this is 1 into 2 power 0. So 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So it is matching with this. So option C can be the answer. Now let us see whether option D satisfies. If option D also satisfies, then we have to change the value of n. Okay. If you put n equal to 1 in option D, so this is 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1. So this is 2 square 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, so this is also not the answer. So 1 is given by option C. Therefore now we can tick option C as the answer.